These are all apartments, and almost every one of them. Look at these places. That's 5 years ago, and there's only about 200,000 of the New Orleanians that did not come back yet. And they probably won't. Now, there was only about 100,000 of them that came back to the city. There's about 200,000 of them that came back, and they live up on the North Shore, up north of Pontchartrain. So they're close to their beloved New Orleans without having to live in town. Now these are all new construction here. And if I'm thinking correctly, which I never know if I am or not, that donut shop where we got donuts that Sunday, our first Sunday, I think it's in this neighborhood, if I'm not mistaken.